Can you take wide-angle photos with iPhone? The iPhone camera is already a wide-angle lens by design. But when it just isn't wide enough to capture everything you want from left to right, try Pano mode to include it all. Open the camera app and swipe to Pano mode. You'll notice a guide bar in the middle of the screen to help you take your photo. How do you change camera settings on iPhone? To set it up, open the Settings app and navigate to Camera, Preserve Settings. You have 3 options to choose from: camera mode, for example, video or square, filter, and live photo. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.